Hi everyone, this is Felicia from Felicia by the Seasons. Thank you so much for stopping into my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little clean with me and decorate with me. And as you can see, we're going to be working on my coffee table in the living room. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the products that I'm going to be using to complete this vignette on my table. So the first thing I'm going to be using is this glass cleaner, which I'm pretty sure everybody is aware of this, and this is not a sponsored video. I'm going to be using that sprayway there to clean my glass because this coffee table is a glass and wood table. And I'm going to show you some of the items that I'm going to be using. Of course, I'm going to be adding some pumpkins. I'm going to add this beautiful pumpkin here. It looks like a little fleece pumpkin with a gold stem. I'm also going to be using some of these gold, orange and gold pumpkins. All right. I may use this sign. I'm not completely sure if I'm going to use this sign. And I'm also going to be using this wreath. I think it's so beautiful with the muted shades of orange and yellow, very soft. I'm also going to be using some of these coasters because it is a coffee table. I'm going to be using this riser to set my white pumpkin on. And I'm also going to try some lights on this particular design here. So I'm going to use some of these little lights here on this design. So let's get started cleaning, if you will. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and light this table up with this spray. And I'm going to let it sit for a few seconds to absorb into the glass and everything. And then I just go ahead and I wipe it with a bunch of paper towels. And I like to hear that squeaking effect because that lets me know that it's getting clean. So I'm going to clean the top. And I'm going to go ahead and clean the bottom. I'm just going to wipe down the bottom. And wipe down each corner, the legs and everything. And I keep this table clean. I probably clean this table maybe twice a week. It doesn't collect a lot of dust, so you know it's not that difficult to clean. And the key to decorating is you want to always start with a clean surface. And you know what? I forgot the main item that I'm going to be using is this beautiful tray. I love this tray. It's a little bit of rustic farmhouse and a little glam because you got your silver tone handles right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my riser. I'm kind of tilt that. Then I'm going to add my wreath. I'm just going to lay it flat. Then I'm going to take my pumpkin and I'm going to put my pumpkin up there. All right. And then I'm just going to add in little coasters. I'm missing one, but that's okay. I'll find it later. And then I'm just gonna add in my other pumpkins to kind of surround that. And I'm gonna move this over some. And I'm just gonna put these in here because I like these because the orange and gold plays well with the gold that's right here. So you see this gold and that gold right there, it plays well together. So I'm gonna have to make some adjustments to this probably. Okay, and I'm just gonna surround this with pumpkins. And I might just put this one right here. And I'm gonna add my lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my lights. Just surround that like that. And I'm just gonna set this little battery holder underneath this tray so you won't see that little ugly sightly battery pack there. And then I think that that's gonna be it. And I might add in my little sign here. I'm not quite sure whether I want that in there or not. I might add it, I might not add it. Let's see, I'll move that over. And let me see how that looks for a second. See, do we really want that sign in there? I don't think we want that sign. Not on that side anyway. So let me try it on this side. Or we might just put it on this side. Okay, let me see how that looks. I'm not liking that either. So let's try it on this side. Let's see. We want that on that side. Let's see. Kind of, sort of like it. Maybe not. Let's try another sign here because I'm not really liking that sign. Let's try some different signs. Let's try this one that says thankful and blessed. So let's try this one that says thankful and blessed. Let's see. Thankful and blessed. All right, you guys. This is my final look. This is just a simple, very simple arrangement. And I might, you know me, I might manipulate it some more and do some other things to it. But for right now, I'm going to leave it like it is. I kind of like it. I might move my pumpkins around. So I might just do a little something like that. And see how that works. But for the most part, I'm liking that. So I'll just plug and play with it some more. Ooh, I like that sign like that. Let me turn it a little bit this way so you can see it that way. Yeah, I like that. I think I'm gonna keep it. What do you think? So I'll probably do some more plugging and playing with this, but this is the way I'm going with this. I just want it to be nice and simple. And it seems like my theme of my living room, whether I want it to be or not, most of my accessories are going to be, especially my pillows, they're orange, burnt orange and whites. And so I'm just trying to kind of play with those colors. And when I do my final fall home tour, it's going to make perfect sense as why I made this simple arrangement for my coffee table. So I want to thank you all for stopping by and spending this short period of time with me. And I'm just going to give you one final look at this finished product. So I'm going to take you over so you can see a little bit closer of what she looks like. And there she is. Simple. And the sign says thankful and blessed. Just a simple arrangement for my coffee table. All right, you guys, I hope this gives you some inspiration if you're going to decorate your coffee table for the fall, or any table or anything that you're going to decorate for fall. I hope this gives you some quick little tips. And until the next video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.